Just your regular Kawasaki 800 TRX? Maybe not. This one is actually for the Department of Natural Resources here in West Virginia. And there are places that vehicles can't get. This is what they use. Wanted to give y'all a little short tour of it and what all I done to it. Don't even have its first mile on it yet. And I get to drill a bunch of holes and stuff in it. First thing I done was put these cool little lights here. Show you what they are here in a second. Control box up on the roof. And a little small cargo light, reverse light for the back. What makes this one a little bit different than most